When wildfires rage across California, destroying homes and businesses and scorching land and threatening lives, while filling the skies with ash, smoke, and uncertainty, Caltrans continues working hard to keep Californians moving safely. When fires strike, our crews work with the California Highway Patrol to close roads when necessary and set up checkpoints to keep you out of harm's way. Caltrans also uses highway message boards, internet alerts, and social media to ensure you have the information you need to stay up to date on current road conditions. Rarely does a wildfire occur and not affect Caltrans assets on the state highway system. Here in the scene of the LNU complex fire in Napa County, crews are already busy at work making sure that the system is safe for when roads are finally reopened to the traveling public. Caltrans recovery efforts begin immediately when the LNU complex lightning fire jumped Interstate 80 in Solano County, closing the freeway and forcing many to evacuate. Our crews responded that very next day to repair the damage left behind. Caltrans worked quickly to remove and replace several miles of guardrail, mile markers, and signs singed by the flames. Further south, where the CZU Lightning Complex fire surrounded Highway 1 and roared through Big Basin State Park, our hardworking road crews spent the next several days along Highway 236, clearing these massive downed trees and assessing damage. Across the state, when fires strike, our crews are also responsible for repairing any pavement, drainage systems, and slopes damaged by the flames. But our work does not end there. Throughout the year, Caltrans does its part to create defensible space and limit wildfire fuel along vulnerable California corridors, much like you see here in Lake County, where the LNU fire is currently burning. Our work before, during, and after wildfire strike ensures Caltrans does its part to reduce fire danger and provide a safe transportation system for all Californians.